Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday stayed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail order passed by trial court, saying that the trial court should have at least recorded its satisfaction with fulfillment of twin conditions of Section 45 of Prevention of the Money Laundering Act, the PMLA, before passing the impunged order. The bench of Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain in the order stated the court ought to maintain a delicate balance between a judgment of acquittal and conviction and order granting bail much before commencement of trial. The court is not supposed to weigh the evidence meticulously. However, the vacation judge in the impunged order has not discussed the requirement of Section 45 of PMLA while passing the impunged order. The trial court order should have at least recorded its satisfaction with fulfillment of the twin conditions of Section 45 of PMLA before passing the impunged order. The pursual of the impunged order reflects that the vacation judge has passed the impunged order without going through and appreciating the entire material brought on record by the rival parties, which reflects perversity in the impunged order. HC, while dealing with the arguments made by the ED counsel stating the impunged order passed by the trial judge, has observed that it is not possible to go through thousands of the pages of documents filed by the respective parties, but the court must work upon the matter whichever comes for the consideration and pass the order as per the law. On Tuesday, the Delhi HC stayed the trial court order granting bail to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal while allowing the Directorate of Enforcement, the ED, plea seeking a stay on trial court's order in the excise policy money laundering case. The vacation bench of Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain, while passing the order, said that documents and arguments were not appreciated properly by the trial court. This court is of the view that the trial court has not applied its mind and has not considered the material properly. The bench has reserved the order on June 21 after the agency challenged the trial court's decision, which has been put on hold until the ruling. Meanwhile, the court has already fixed the main matter for July, where ED challenged the trial court order granting Arvind Kejriwal regular bail in the case. On Monday, ED filed written submission before the Delhi High Court opposing any relief to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in excise policy money laundering case. ED opposed the trial court order granting bail to Kejriwal and called the order illegal and perversive. ED submitted the impunged order passed by the trial court deserves to be stayed and set aside as vacation judge has returned perverse findings is almost every paragraph of its order on the both facts and the law after admittedly not examining the material placed on record by the prosecution, ED told the High Court. ED further stated that new material collected against Arvind Kejriwal post-2023 was not considered by the vacation judge. ED lists statements of 13 Angriyas, Goa AAP workers and AAP office bearers as new statements. Denial of ample opportunity to the Enforcement Directorate is a violation of one of the conditions of Section 45, ED told the Delhi High Court. Earlier, the Supreme Court on Monday adjourned for June 26 the plea of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal challenging the order of the Delhi High Court granting an interim stay on the bail to him in the Delhi excise policy probe by ED. A vacation bench of Justice Manoj Misra and SVN Bhatti observed that the decision of High Court to grant an interim stay on the Kejriwal's bail without passing a final order is in the matter which is unusual. Senior advocate Vikram Chaudhary, also appearing for Kejriwal, told the top court that the Kejriwal does not have any criminal record and is not a flight risk. On June 20, the trial judge granted bail to Kejriwal in money laundering case. The next day, ED moved an urgent petition before the High Court challenging the bail order. The High Court heard both the sides extensively, reserved the order on ED's application to stay the bail and halted the release of Kejriwal until the next pronouncement of its order. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.